Jessica, your art teacher. For our art project this week, we're going to be making our own board game. We're going to be making one with a theme of the Gingerbread Man. For those of you in Hanoi, we're going to be sending clay for the little pieces for your board game. We're also going to be sending the board. For those of you who are outside Hanoi, look in the description of this video and you will find a link to this board that you can print out.
If you're outside Hanoi, how will you make your board game pieces?
Did you do the salt dough from last week? Try salt dough to make your little gingerbread man figurine. Once it's all together, you'll have your own game made by you that you can play. Some of our favorite teachers are going to come and help and make their own game.
Here comes Miss Christina, Miss Laura, and Mr. James. Let's see what board game pieces they make. What wonderful board game pieces the teachers have created. What shape, what animal, what character will your board game pieces be? Once you've made your board game pieces, now it's time to play with your board game. Unless you want to decorate your board too. Please save your board game pieces and bring them back to school. Send photos of you making your pieces. I hope you guys have a lot of fun. See you next time. Bye.